chemtrailing, geoengineering, cloud seeding. There's an awful lot of chatter about people interfering with the weather. But does it happen? Let's be clear right from the start. The Met Office is not involved directly, but is totally aware this shit goes on. How could we not know? It's so obvious, even to sheeple people, that we get loads and loads of messages from people on social media calling us cunts and even editing our original clips to make us speak some truth. Truth? What's that, I hear you ask? Geoengineering is a wacky nut job idea now being pushed as an acceptable way to poison everything on the Earth under the fake climate change narrative. And so, in order to reduce climate change on the baseless bullshit narrative excuse that the planet is warming up, I'm just going to casually drop in the idea of spraying reflective particles into the atmosphere like it's not a big deal, right? I mean, look at this shit. What in the Keir Starmer's Y fronts is this insanity? I'm just going to casually talk about spraying pollution to do what now? Block out the sun with reflective particles. So what would that look like then, I wonder? Well, exactly what I'm going to tell you a contrail looks like in a few moments, no doubt, when I try and insult the common sense of the UK population by insisting all those hazy white lines is just fucking ice. So I'm now going to tell you that we've done some research with our advanced computer model. Unfortunately, we can only show you this stupid image that was clearly created by AI, most likely ChatGPT. So what about cloud seeding? Well, what's that? It's the same fucking thing, but sounds less scary. You see, when we say seeds, we mean chemicals. So cloud seeding is when planes spray chemicals to fuck about with climate systems. They will, of course, tell you that it's all harmless, like silver or sea salt, or even the teardrops of Tinker Bell herself, all done on a small scale by small companies, of course, but it's still spraying chemicals into the atmosphere regardless. And although we get loads of rain in the UK, that has nothing to do with the smaller companies. No, we in the UK prefer military contractors spraying us with, you guessed it, chemtrails. Chemtrails, it is suggested, are when chemicals are sprayed from the backs of planes, like we just discussed with the other two subjects. It's probably for weather modification, I could explain, but here's a ChatGPT image again for some reason before I start banging on about contrail formation. My first nonsense statement is aeroplanes have always left vapor trails when even a total moron knows that's inaccurate. And here's the sketchy bit. Nobody denies contrails exist. I should be saying things such as contrails only form in specific conditions, not every day of the week as observed. But I won't, will I? Oh no. What I will do is insult you all even further by insisting you're so stupid that you haven't fully researched contrails and quickly noticed the characteristics of what people are seeing and what a contrail is do not line up. And how stupidly pathetic must I be even now after mainstream admitted this very idea as being a green light operation to do exactly this. I still have the ignorance and goddamn cheek to stand here and still call you all conspiracy theorists. Ha! Sheep, you know where to email me if you got a problem, bitches. I am a let you put your deacon me from the Met Office.